Hey everyone, is this your first time making squishies? Are you struggling with bubbles, sticky messes, or squishies that just didn't cure right? Don't worry, we've all been there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step: mixing, filling, curing, demolding, and decorating. Even if you're a complete beginner, by the end, you'll be making perfect, cute squishies with ease. So grab your supplies and let's jump in. Alright, let's start by seeing what we'll need today. First up, the most important thing, the Flex Rubber Kit. This is the star of today's project. Then we have 4 animal molds: rabbit, hamster, chicken, and capybara. They have shiny faces inside, which makes demolding easy. For colors, we've got 4 different pigment pastes for coloring our squishy liquid. And for the finishing touches, flocking powder, pom-poms, and eyes. As for tools, measuring cups, mixing sticks, gloves, squishy bags, decoration chains, labels, and the user manual. This is everything you'll need in this all-in-one kit. The first step, measuring the Flex Rubber liquid. This is key. It determines if your squishy cures properly, and it's also where beginners often go wrong. First, put on your gloves. Take a measuring cup and pour in part A and part B in a 1-to-1 ratio by weight. Here is the exact amount you'll need for each mold. Mix in one direction and not too fast, or you'll create bubbles and mess up the finish. Keep mixing until the 2 parts are completely blended, no layers separating. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, let's add the color. Here's a little tip: adding just a tiny bit of white to your mixture to make the color more opaque. Don't add too much pigment at once. Build it up gradually until you get the shade you want. Want a gradient effect? Just pour different colors mixture in order. We actually covered this one on one of our previous videos, so feel free to check it out if you want to see it in action. Now the fun part, pouring your colored Flex Rubber into the mold. Before pouring, spread a thin layer of Vaseline evenly inside the mold with your finger. Be careful not to use too much, or it could affect the final look. Pour slowly along the edges until the mold is filled. Don't overfill or you'll get leaks. Tap the mold on the table to release trapped bubbles. This makes the surface nice and smooth. Then let your mold sit in a level, shaded spot. Cover them to keep out the dust and don't move them. At 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, it'll take about 4 to 6 hours to fully cure. Now it's time to demold. Squishies are super soft and a little sticky, so using soapy water makes demolding much easier. Just spray some soapy water into the mold gaps, then gently press the edges to let the water and air seep in, or directly soak the whole mold into it. This helps the squishies out of the mold smoothly without any damage. See? No scratches. Perfect shape. If there are any blurs at the edges, just trim them carefully with small scissors. Finally, wash off any excess Vaseline with warm water and dry gently with a towel or soft cloth. Now for the most satisfying part, decorating. Trim any excess silicone from the eyes. Use a tiny bit of super glue or silicone glue to attach the eyes firmly. Add blush and body patterns with soft pastels or eyeshadow. Want a fluffy fur effect? Apply a layer of flocking powder, then brush off the excess. If you run out of flocking powder and cannot get it more, just use talcum powder instead. It works as well. Once decorated, pack your squishy and some pom-poms into the storage bag. Add a chain, and voila, a cute bag charm. Look at that! These squishies are just like the ones you see in stores. This kit lets you make 4 squishies, and you can even get creative with extra materials. Perfect for stress relief or do-it-yourself gifts. Leave a comment below and tell us what you think of this video or what you want to see next. We'll randomly pick one lucky winner to receive the 4 animal squishy making kit and enjoy the fun of making squishies. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!